Abhyangga is a healing transformational massage treatment from the Ayurvedic tradition performed by two therapists, four-handed, blissful Ayurvedic oil massage. Through this experience, you can balance your energy bodies, your doshas, and each person is treated with a different type of oil depending on the doshas that need balancing. And as the therapists synchronistically move their hands across your body, gliding across all painful or stressful areas of the body and relieving tension and stress with their healing, powerful intention. Throughout this experience, they might ask if you want more or less pressure, with a deep intention of healing and love in all that they do. Abhyangga is one of the signature massage techniques of the Ayurvedic healing system, and throughout the Panchakarma journey, likely you will experience at least one, if not more, of this amazing four-handed Ayurvedic healing treatment.